Hello everyone, this video introduces the Feature Vertices to Points function in the Vector Conversion tool. This function creates a feature class containing points generated from specified vertices or locations of the input features. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the Feature Vertices to Points tool. Double-click to open the function window. Specify the features to be converted into points. The point type is used to specify the location where the output points will be created. You can choose according to your needs. Here, the default option, All Vertices, is selected. Then, set the storage location and name for the output features. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion from feature vertices to points will be successful. That's all for the introduction to the Feature Vertices to Points function. Thank you for watching.